welcome to the Screw Whistle Workshop. I'm here in my garage, which I'm turning into a workshop. I just put these two lights up and I had two more to put up, but Amazon didn't include hardware for two more, so gotta get hardware. This is my 100th video on this channel apparently, and this is the fourth name of this channel. So it was Can I Make Doing Shit with Daryl, Making Shit with Daryl. Now it's Screw Whistle Workshop. It's because on the door in front of me is a whistle screwed to the door frame. I don't know why, but it is. And all these episodes are gonna be called Making Shit with Daryl. So until I get these other two hardwares to hang those lights up, deuces. Now.
Daryl, what you in there doing?